So what did we learn today? Well, I've been following all the leaks for the past several weeks, and to be honest, I didn't learn much more than I already knew. We already knew that this year's S10 would come in 3 variants: the S10e, the S10, and the S10 Plus. The leaks were true, and they showed their variants in all their glory about a week ago. So I'm not going to go into extreme detail about the phone, but here are the clip parts of the keynote that actually matter.
To those who think they have seen it all, I say, buckle your seatbelt. The future is about to begin. To the Galaxy S10 Plus.
Now the S10 screen covers the full front of the phone from the top to the bottom and from side to side. The sensors and the front camera have been seamlessly integrated right into the display itself. Today, we're introducing the world's first Infinity O display on AMOLED and can produce more than 16 million colors at 100% color volume. This is going to be the most color-accurate display ever on a mobile device. The S10 has a bright, brilliant screen that is TÜV Rheinland certified to reduce harmful blue light emissions by 42%. And that's all without applying a filter. Embedded directly beneath the screen is the world's first ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. To use it, simply press your finger against the screen where it naturally rests. The scanner then emits ultrasonic waves that map the unique pattern of your fingerprint. All of this happens in the blink of an eye, and it even works in the most challenging conditions. The scanner also protects your data with machine learning-based algorithms that are updated automatically, just like security patches. The S10 comes in a variety of stunning new prismatic hues. Or you can choose one of 2 premium ceramic finishes, ceramic white and ceramic black. With the S10, we're introducing a camera that lets you capture memories like a pro with a single device. And that's all thanks to our brand new next-generation triple rear camera system. For capturing everyday moments, you have the wide-angle camera. With a 77-degree field of view, you can take amazing crystal-clear photos day or night. And when you need to zoom in, the telephoto camera's optical zoom gets you twice as close. A professional photographer would change the lens so they could take a shot like this one. I'm thrilled to tell you that this photo was taken in Spain with the S10's brand new ultra-wide camera. At 123 degrees, its field of view matches that of the human eye. What you see is what you get. All right, well, the S10 makes your panoramas even more epic. Your shots will stretch from the ground to the sky, so you won't miss an inch of that incredible. We've combined the powers of the wide angle and the ultra-wide cameras to give you better perspective when using live focus. Best of all, you can try out all of these effects in real time, even before you snap the picture. Even if our smartphones come with pro-grade cameras, not all of us have been trained to use them to their full potential. Because the S10 can process more data, it can recognize more scenes than before. The S10 can even provide composition tips for your photo, like where to place the subject in the frame or whether your photo is level. This camera is so intelligent, it's going to make every shot worth sharing. Earlier, you saw how the S10 displays HDR10+ content by optimizing the color tones when you watch a video. It does the same thing when you record a video as well. The S10 is the first mobile device in the world capable of recording video in HDR10+. And that's because the camera uses tonal mapping techniques to go frame by frame to optimize the color for every scene. The S10 shoots super steady videos on par with what you'd find in most action cameras. So sometimes before you share a video on social media, you'll probably want to edit it a little. We're excited to tell you that we've partnered with Adobe to create a version of Premiere Rush optimized for Galaxy smartphones. Adobe Premiere Rush puts a suite of powerful editing tools right on your phone. We've added dual pixel technology, which lets you take better pictures in low light and significantly improves autofocus. So now you can spend more time composing your shot and less time waiting for your camera to focus. We all use the camera on the front of our phones to document our lives, not just in photos, but in videos too. We record whenever the mood strikes us and go live at a moment's notice. And that's why we made sure that the S10's front camera supports UHD video, so you can capture high-quality content.
Thanks, Suzanne. Great to be here. And today, with the Galaxy S10 Plus, you can get up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of base storage. From expansive storage to advanced speeds, the S10 is like having a supercomputer in your pocket, and 37% faster GPU speeds than the S9. The S10 Plus is equipped with an all-day battery. Lasts up to 25% longer than the previous model. By learning how you use your phone, the S10 identifies the apps that you use less often. Then it automatically optimizes their CPU settings to consume less power. That's why we built the same technology we use in our wireless chargers right into the S10, transforming your device into a wireless charging pad. You just place a watch, earbuds, or even a friend's smartphone onto the back of the S10 and watch the battery fill up. And it can tell if you're on the move, if you're in a car or walking down the street. And when the S10 senses changes like these, it seamlessly switches to an LTE network. And it makes that switch twice as fast as before. We're pleased to announce that the S10 is the first ever mobile device compatible with Wi-Fi 6. And we've designed 3 different models so you can choose which version is right for you. The S10 offers a premium Galaxy experience with all the features you've come to know and love over the last decade. The S10 Plus supercharges that experience, giving you more screen, more cameras, and more battery. And the S10e has all the essentials in a more compact form factor. So no matter what you're looking for, there's a state-of-the-art Galaxy that's perfect for you.
I love the S10e. It feels really nice in my hands. It's compact, but it has everything you need in your phone.
What about the S10 Plus? Let's show them the S10 Plus.
Sure. Now, this is the S10 Plus. It's perfect for those. Thank you. This one's perfect for those who want even more from their phones. The size of the phone, we've kept it really similar. But once you turn on the device, the display, you can see the S10 has much more screen. So here I have the box for the S10. With one click, I can easily zoom in. But then I can go ultra wide. And now you can see a lot more.
So mark your calendars because it's right around the corner.
Although most of that didn't surprise me, this actually did.
As you saw, the Galaxy Fold is a device unlike any that's come before it. With the Galaxy Fold, we're creating a new dimension for your phone and your life. We're giving you a device that doesn't just define a new category, it defies category. With the Galaxy Fold, you get a powerful smartphone and a revolutionary tablet, all in a single premium package. When it's folded, it has a 4.6-inch display. It's compact and perfectly portable. But when the device opens up, your world does too. With a massive 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display that transforms the Fold into a tablet. One of the biggest challenges was building the backbone of the device, something that could hold strong, even after hundreds of thousands of folds and unfolds. So we invented a sophisticated hinge system that allows you to open and close the Galaxy Fold smoothly and naturally. The hinge's multiple interlocking gears are hidden, giving the device a seamless, elegant look. We also gave you 4 galactic colors to choose from: Cosmos Black, Space Silver, Martian Green, or Astro Blue. The Galaxy Fold is a one-of-a-kind luxury device, and there are limitless ways you use it. With 2 different screens, it's perfect for any situation. When closed, it fits right in the palm of your hand. So you can send a message to a friend or make a call with one hand while you're on the go. With immersive visuals and sound by AKG, your favorite movies come to life in vivid color and rich audio. And the interior screen is so large that it powers a truly next-generation experience, one never before seen on a smartphone. 3-app multitasking. So you can watch a YouTube video of Hawaii, text your friend about it, and browse travel options all at the same time. Each screen works perfectly on its own. But the Fold is more than 2 separate screens. It's a unified device. And the key to making this possible is called app continuity. And what that means is that you can switch between the screens without missing a beat. So, when you stumble across an interesting Facebook post on the front display, you can simply unfold your phone to see all the details on the bigger screen. The beauty of 3-app multitasking and app continuity is that they let you use the most important apps to you the way you want. Now, to ensure that all these apps run smoothly, the Galaxy Fold needs unprecedented, unparalleled performance. So that's what we gave it. The Fold has a state-of-the-art 7-nanometer processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. There's 512 gigs of onboard memory, and for the first time on a mobile device, support for Universal Flash Storage 3.0. This means you'll be able to read data twice as fast as most other smartphones, making it incredibly responsive. Our engineers have developed special technology to combine energy from both batteries into a single power source. The Galaxy Fold is incredibly versatile. It's a smartphone, a tablet, and a camera that fits in your pocket. In fact, it's actually a system of 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front. Now, it's one thing to hear about all the Fold's incredible capabilities from me, but it's another to see them for yourselves.
As you can see, it fits perfectly in my hand. First, let's unlock it. All I have to do is place my thumb on the side, and I'm ready to go.
Wow.
It's really quick. I can easily pull out Google Maps. But here's where things get really cool. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
That's amazing. That is amazing. As you can see, the same map that Josh was just looking at on the front display is already inside, waiting for him. So how about we check out another app on the big screen? How about Netflix?
Sure, I'm a huge fan of Netflix. I usually watch it on my tablet, but now I can watch it right on the Fold.
Wow, that is a gorgeous display. So I see what you mean. The Fold is perfect for watching videos, reading your favorite books, or taking a video call.
And you can do all 3 at once.
You never know when you might need to Google something. There you have it. That is 3-app multitasking in action. On the left, the YouTube video is playing. On the right, he's messaging a friend, and if he needs to browse the web, it's right there in the 3rd window. The Fold comes in both an LTE and a 5G version, starting from $1,980, depending on your region and carrier. And you can get your very own Galaxy Fold starting on April 26th.
I love how Samsung innovates and pushes the boundaries of tech. I'm so intrigued with this phone. And if it does just as it was demonstrated, this will be an effective new line for years to come. My only hope is that the mobile carriers will carry this device and that I'll be able to jump to it through my mobile carrier, T-Mobile. Otherwise, it'll be a while before I'm able to get my hands on one. I mean, I didn't even get on board with the Note series until the Note 2, and that was after the Note 3 was already released. Back then, most phone companies didn't believe in producing such big screen phones until Samsung innovated and proved that the market wanted this. And I believe that this could be the same thing with the foldable phones, but time will tell. Another product that Samsung announced, and it's long overdue, is they updated their truly wireless earbuds. So here's a clip of that.
The S10 is an incredible phone. So let me show you how by introducing our new line of next generation wearables. First up, the all-new Galaxy Buds. The Galaxy Buds are so cool. These wireless earbuds deliver a premium audio experience with sound by AKG. The Galaxy Buds improve the sound quality you hear, and they make sure you can be heard too. We built them with adaptive dual microphones, one on the outside, one on the inside. When it's quiet, the outer mic captures the sound of your voice. And when it gets louder, the buds switch to the inner mic to pick up your voice directly from you. The Galaxy Buds are also designed for all-day comfort. They're 30% smaller than our previous version, making them our lightest, most compact, and most comfortable wireless earbuds yet. We created a high-efficiency chipset for the Galaxy Buds so you can take up to 5 hours of calls or stream up to 6 hours of music on a single charge. The Galaxy Buds come in an all-new cord-free charging case. This case supports wireless charging for the very first time. And of course, that means you can charge it using wireless power share with your S10. The Galaxy Buds are smarter, more efficient, and better sounding than ever. They look just as good as they sound, and they'll be available starting March 8th.
I want these really bad. I mean, I've been in the market for some truly wireless earbuds for quite some time, but I haven't been able to pull the trigger. Their price point is on point at $129. And the good thing about it is Samsung has had several years to perfect the truly wireless earbuds. So I think that these will be a hit. Plus, if you pre-order an S10 or S10 Plus, Samsung will just throw in the Galaxy Buds as a thank you for your pre-order. But I'm still on the fence and I don't know what I'll do. In one hand, I can keep my OnePlus and purchase the Galaxy Buds outright. On the other hand, I can jump to the S10 or S10 Plus, put $99 down for the S10 or $199 down for the S10 Plus, pay an additional $15 a month to T-Mobile, have the latest and greatest Samsung phone, and get the Galaxy Buds for free. I just don't know. Samsung actually, they didn't wow me like they did in years past, but that can due to the fact that I'm content with my Pixel 2 and I'm content with my OnePlus 6T. So what do you think about Samsung's new line? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe and like this video. Please share it with friends and family. I'd greatly appreciate that. So until next video, thank you and have a good one.